Okay guys, this is just a short video about my Arduino controlled stepper motor. It's a cheap Chinese stepper motor, and this is my air variable capacitor with 100 picofarad for my magnetic loop. And I'm just using here some old switches from a PC power supply. And when I turn it on, you can see that the motor is spinning and it's turning the capacitor. You see that? It's turning in my direction. See that? When I stop. Now it's turning the other direction. I have to hold it a little bit. You see? The capacitor is turning. So that's my remote controlled air variable capacitor. All the stuff that you see here, that's a cheap knockoff of a Chinese Arduino. This is a simple breadboard with a power supply, and this is the motor. All those three items are about like 20-25 bucks, something like that. I will link it in the description. That's all for now, and see you next time. This is John, DK9JC, also November 1 and JJC. Bye bye.